Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. This is my mini drone kit. I have purchased it from a shop in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I would like to unbox it. They have packed it so seriously. Finally, it is about to open. Here is the plastic wrapping. Here is the mini drone kit wrapped in a poly bag. They did not provide the frame of the drone. They have sent nano motors, cordless motors. There are 4 nano cordless motors. They call it mini cordless motors. Here are 4 propellers, 4 more propellers, red colored, white colored propellers. Here is the circuit board and receiver board, that is, they call it motherboard. Here is the battery, polymer battery. Here is the USB charger. Here are 2 pins. Here is the cover of the frame, and they did not send any frame. Here is the remote control. What's going on? All suppliers create a problem. They don't supply seriously. And I have to complain for friend. Again, let me show you what they have sent me. Again, let me check the box again. No, nothing is there. For nano motors, they call it mini drone motors, cordless motors. Here is the circuit board. There are white propellers, 4 propellers, red colored propellers. Polymer battery, probably lipo battery, lithium polymer battery. Here is the charger. Here is the cover of the frame, but there is no frame. Here are 2 pins. Here is the remote controller. Online shopping is a problem. Sometimes they don't send the right things. There are missing things and there are double things. This is the reality. I have to complain now. Whenever I get the frame back, if I get it, then I would like to assemble the mini quadcopter, as people say it. Let me show you inside the remote controller. Here it may require 3 pencil battery, 3 pencil battery. Thanks for watching. Comment, share and subscribe. I would like to continue this video whenever I get the frame, and thereafter I would like to assemble the mini quadcopter. People say it. I would like to say it nano quadcopter, as cordless motors look like nano something. Thank you very much. Comment, share and subscribe.